got the horrible squeaking noise on the 1 Series coming from the back suspension. It's really loud and it's over every kind of bump. Let's get it on the jack and have a look, see if we can figure out what's going on. It's horrible, isn't it? Right, let's get this up in the air and have a look at this squeaky suspension. I'll get the jack under the plastic jacking point there, and then we can whiz it up in the air.
This fault is the same on the 1, 2, 3, 5 series. They all suffer from it.
Okay, let's whiz this wheel off. Let's get that locking nut off first.
Most of the wheel nuts on the BMWs are all 17mm bolts.
Okay, now what we're looking at here, come in here and have a look. So what we're going to find is the bottom control arm has got a bush on it. The bush has got a rubber seal round it. So here we go. The bottom one tucked away.
So it's the one right on the bottom of the arm that has the spring attached to it and the shock absorber, right on the end. You can just see my finger there. It's better off from the underside.
Let's get it up a bit higher, make it easier to see.
This problem usually occurs if the car's been driven through floodwater or really deep puddles. Generally floodwater though.
I'll just put an axle stand under there, just in case it drops. Right, okay. So the one we're interested in is this bush behind here. It's got 2 rubber seals on it and water ingress gets in. This is your bottom wishbone. I'll show you what we're going to do. So we come in here and you can see under here, this is the one we're interested in. This one here, this bush, has got these 2 rubber seals, one either side, and you get water ingress inside this bush here, and that's what creates the squeak. So what we're going to do is pop a couple of little holes in it, and we're going to fill it with some of this stuff, which is the Wurth Ultra 2040. This stuff is just amazing. I've seen people use WD-40. This stuff is got staying power. WD-40 don't last 5 minutes. This stuff is going to stop that squeaking. Let's get it in there. I've got a little probe tool here with a nice sharp point on the end of it. What we're going to do is going to make an incision into this gaiter. So we'll pop that through there, make a nice hole, and we can put the tube up through that hole there, like that, and then we'll squirt some in, like that, enough to fill that up inside, and then we'll pull it back out, and you can see the lubricants inside that.
It's nice to go back to it again after about 15 minutes and put another blast in there, just so that it's had time to soak through to the other side as well and get all in there. We'll get plenty in there.
I've done the same on the other side, and then we'll drop that back down again. Happy days. So using this is the Wurth Ultra 2040. It's a really good lubricant, gets into that bush. It's got good longevity, it lasts a good while, so we shouldn't have too many problems after we put this in there. I'll put links in on the Amazon shop at the end in the description. Links will be down there, so if you want any of these products, just nip in and buy it. It's not too expensive.
The Wurth comes in at about £8 a can. So I'll whiz this wheel back on again with the old Milwaukee electric gun. Drop the jack down, get it on the deck.
So here we go, moment of truth. So let's see what's going on. Is it quiet? Is it noisy? What have we got? Let's have a look. So far, so good. Let's get the window down. Oh, listen to that. It's perfectly quiet. So the squeaking has gone. The suspension, where it was squeaking over every single bump, is now silent. So the lubricant's got into that bush. It's done a great job. I'll pop the link in the description. Again, like I said, for everything, all the parts, all the tools used in the video, it's all in there. Let's go over these big bumps. Oh, nothing at all. It's completely silent now. I hope it's been of use to you. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and drop me a little thumbs up. Drop me some comments. Love your comments as always. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.